This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to use logic in Typeform. If you've ever wanted to make your form smarter and more interactive, you're in the right place. Using logic in Typeform can greatly enhance the user experience by guiding respondents through a personalized path based on their responses. So let's dive in and explore how you can set this up. First things first, open your browser and head over to typeform.com. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard where you can see all your existing forms. If you haven't created a form yet, you might want to do that first, as this feature applies to forms you've already set up. Next, select the form you want to add logic to, click on it to open, and this will take you into the form editor. Here, you can make any necessary adjustments to your questions before diving into the logic settings. Now, look towards the top of the page and find the workflow option. Click on it. This will open up the area where you can start setting up different logic paths based on user responses. The workflow section is your go-to place for configuring how your form behaves. Once you're in the workflow section, you'll see an option at the top left called branching. Click on branching to start adding logic to your form. Branching is a powerful tool that allows you to decide what happens next based on the answers given by respondents. This means you can direct users to different questions or even end the survey based on their input. After clicking branching, you'll find an option to always go to. This is where you can set default paths for your form. If a certain condition isn't met, the form will automatically follow this path. It's a helpful feature to ensure that respondents always have a seamless experience, regardless of their answers. Now, let's add a rule. Click on the Add Rule button. Adding a rule is where the magic happens. Here, you can set specific conditions and define what should occur when those conditions are met. For example, if a respondent answers yes to a particular question, you might want to direct them to a follow-up question that's relevant to their response. By setting these rules, you can create a more engaging and relevant experience for your users. Once you've set up all your desired rules and logic paths, it's crucial to save your work. Look for the Save button, usually found at the top or bottom of the workflow page, and click it. This will ensure that all the logic you've painstakingly configured is stored and ready to be deployed in your form. And there you have it. You've successfully added logic to your Typeform, making it more dynamic and responsive to your audience's input. Remember, using logic not only enhances the interactivity of your form, but also helps in collecting more accurate and relevant data by tailoring the questions to the respondent's previous answers. Thanks for watching and happy form building.